What if you gifted your LIC policy to someone and it couldn't be taken back? Or what if you used it to get a loan but lost control over it? These are real possibilities when you assign a life insurance policy, and most people don't even know the difference between absolute and conditional assignment. In this video, let's break it down clearly and simply, with examples and smart tips you won't find anywhere else. Assignment means transferring ownership or benefits of your life insurance policy to someone else, fully or temporarily. It's governed by Section 38 of the Insurance Act, 1938. You, the policyholder, become the assigner. The person or institution receiving it is called the assignee. In absolute assignment, you give up all rights to your policy. Once assigned, the policy legally belongs to the assignee. They receive the maturity or death benefit. You can't revoke it, change the beneficiary, or take loans anymore. This is typically used for gifting a policy to your spouse or child, transferring to a trust or organization, divorce settlements. In conditional assignment, the transfer happens only for a specific purpose or time, and once that's fulfilled, ownership comes back to you. It's like lending your policy temporarily. Most common case: assigning your policy to a bank for a loan. Once the loan is repaid, your rights return. But while the condition exists, the bank controls the payout. Let's compare them side by side. Legally, assignment overrides nomination. The assignee becomes the new rightful claimant. To assign a policy, you must 1. Fill the assignment form or endorse the policy document. 2. Submit it to LIC for registration. 3. Get confirmation from the insurer. Only then is it valid. Pro tip: always write clear conditions when making a conditional assignment. And if gifting under absolute assignment, be 100% sure. Mr. Verma assigned his LIC policy to a bank for a home loan. It was a conditional assignment. Sadly, he passed away before repaying it. The bank recovered the loan amount from the death claim. The balance went to his nominee. This shows how conditional assignment works in real life. Assignment is a powerful legal tool, but only if used wisely. Use absolute assignment when you're sure the person or organization must get 100% of the benefit. Use conditional assignment when using the policy for a loan or temporary arrangement. Always read the fine print, take advice, and inform your family. And if you're an LIC policyholder or agent, share this video, because understanding assignment is key to proper financial planning.